Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Capricorn. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Capricorn, for your daily energies, and I'll be giving the fairy guidance message at last, guys. Page of Swords. Three of Cups. Queen of Swords. Capricorn, with these cards, I feel you were in a situation where you felt somebody was treating you bad. Someone, they were curious to find out about you. They were questioning you about certain things. This may be regarding your work or in your relationship. It may be your person. They may have some kind of doubts regarding you, and they may be spying on you, or they may be gossiping with their friends about you, something of that sort, guys. And you just want to stay away from them. Maybe for that may be the energy here, guys. Some of you all, you just want to stay away from this person who is talking behind your back, who is gossiping about you. This may be your person or friend or family, someone, and you are taking help with your friends, counseling with your friends or family to overcome the situation, and you are feeling really, what to say, happy because of it, that you are able to share your burdens with them, guys. And you are able to overcome this emotional state of yours, because of this, what to say, counseling from friends or family or someone of that sort. Okay, somebody very helpful to you. So you are seeing the truth in the situation, guys, because of their help. Let us pick more cards, Capricorn, to get a better clarity of your situation. Right on. Or this may be pertaining to your past relationship, guys. You maybe you are celebrating now with your present person. Maybe this past person has this, what to say, they may be spying on your activities. They may want to find out what you are doing, and they may be gossiping about you to your common friends or something of that sort, guys. But you are happy where you are, Capricorn, today. This energies work vice versa, guys. This may be what your person feels about you. They may be spying on you, or you may be spying on your past person about their movements, what they are doing, and whom they are with now. Something of that sort, guys. You may try to get information from friends, something of that sort. So some new important announcement is coming today, guys. This may be in your relationship. This person you are with, they may come and meet you with gifts or some important information or announcement today, and you are ready to take up whatever it is. You are welcoming any situation with open arms, ready to face it, guys. And you have that courage and confidence in your heart to face anything that comes towards your way, guys. And this relationship you have with this person is very, what to say, a compatible one. You are deeply attached to each other. You have that great affinity and harmony in this relationship, and this person has your person whom you're with, they have great aspirations in life, guys. So they have set their standards very high to achieve in their what to say, in their professional life. They want to um, make something for themselves, guys, make a place for themselves. And they may want to travel, or they may be planning to go abroad for studies or work, or this may also be your energy, guys. You may want to travel or go abroad for studies, something of that sort. So there are great aspirations from this person. Uh, they have a great goal to achieve in life, and they feel very motivated and confident to do it, guys. And that is the reason you love them, for their what to say, their confidence and motivation and their determination to reach the goal, guys. So it is inspiring you every day. So that is the way you feel about them, Capricorn. So let us see what the fairies are guiding us to do today. I'll be picking one card. Fairy of the Green World. With this card, Capricorn, I feel it is the time for growth, to what to say, influence the world around us by contributing. Maybe it may not be a financial contribution, it may be through our time and devotion to certain good things. We can work on what to say, some kind of movement like save trees or something which helps the whole world, guys, which helps our world to become a better place every day. So we need to influence the people around us with our goodness. So now is the time for do that, guys. And we need to take up healthy habits and live resourcefully and peacefully in this world. When we do that, we overcome what to say, the unnatural system what we adopt in our life, the unhealthy lifestyle we have, and we can help the world to become a better place. By doing that, we are in turn helping our own self, guys, to heal and grow spiritually and emotionally, guys. And we help our hearts and our minds to grow into a more peaceful and happy state. So that is the aim, fairies guidance for today, guys. So that is the reading for you all, Capricorn. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Capricorn.